Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let's me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Tur Aziz Syafiuddin. Can you call me Aziz? I am from MD1P class, Missionary Dakwah Management Study Program. Here, I will review the journal as a mid-semester exam assessment, the English text study, Crush Thoughts by Mem Zulfa Ismawati MPDI. Happy for watching. The title of journal is Mainstreaming Moderation in Preventing or Countering Violent Extremism P or CVE in Pesantren in Central Java. Written by Muhammad Wildan and Ahmad Mutakin from UIN Sunan Kalijaga. Artinya, mainstreaming moderation in preventing or countering violent extremism, pengaruh utamaan moderasi dalam pencegahan atau penanggulangan kekerasan ekstremisme in pesantren in Central Java di pesantren di Jawa Tengah. Written by Muhammad Wildan and Ahmad Mutakin from UIN Sunan Kalijaga, yang ditulis oleh Muhammad Wildan dan Ahmad Mutakin dari Universitas Islam Negeri Sunan Kalijaga, Yogyakarta. Abstract. As religious violent extremism (RVE) is now bullying government authorities and also civil society organizations are trying to seek various approaches from soft to hard measures to eradicate and decrease religious violent extremism at many levels of society. CIS from as a study center at UIN Sunan Kalijaga has quite long been active in preventing or countering violent extremism (P or CVE) through its delicate methods. Mainstreaming moderation in some pesantren in Yogyakarta and Surakarta, Indonesia. This paper will display the methods, strategy, and responses of the program dates. Artinya, as religious violent extremism is now bullying government authorities and also civil society organization. Ketika ekstremisme kekerasan agama semakin meningkat, pemerintah, pihak berwenang, dan juga organisasi masyarakat sipil are trying to seek various approach from soft to hard measure to eradicate and decrease religious violence extreme at many levels of society. Berusaha mencari berbagai pendekatan, mulai dari cara yang kecil hingga cara yang keras, untuk memberantas dan mengurangi kekerasan agama yang terjadi di berbagai tingkatan masyarakat. CIS from as a study center at UIN Sunan Kalijaga has quite long been active in preventing or countering violent extremism (P or CVE) through its delicate methods, mainstreaming moderation in some pesantren in Yogyakarta and Surakarta, Indonesia. CIS from sebagai pusat studi di Universitas Islam Negeri Sunan Kalijaga telah cukup lama aktif dalam pencegahan atau penanggulangan ekstremisme kekerasan melalui metode-metode yang halus, yaitu pengaruh utamaan moderasi di beberapa pesantren yang ada di Yogyakarta dan Surakarta, Indonesia. This paper will display the methods, strategi, and responses of the program dates. Tulisan ini akan memaparkan metode, strategi, dan juga respon dari program-program tersebut. Have been carried out by the university-based research center. Due to the problematic terms or concept of radicalization and deradicalization, the whole program of CES from on CVE is termed as mainstreaming moderation instead of deradicalization. This research found that some conservative pesantrens, as dormant entities, should be approached properly through soft measure since hard measure call neither touch nor address the roots of radicalism appropriately. The included and soft approach initiated by CES from called mainstream pesantren to moderate Islam or wasatiyah. Artinya, have been carried out by the University-based Research Center telah dilakukan oleh pusat penelitian yang berbasis universitas due to the problematic terms or concept of radicalization and deradicalization karena konsep yang bermasalah atau istilah yang bermasalah mengenai radikalisasi dan deradikalisasi. The wall program of CS from on CVE is termed as a mainstream moderation instead of deradicalization. Seharusnya program dari CES from terhadap kekerasan agama diistilahkan sebagai pengarus moderasi dan bukan sebagai deradikalisasi. This research found that some conservative pesantren. Penelitian ini menemukan bahwa beberapa pesantren konservatif as dormant entities should be approached properly touch soft measure sin hard measure called neither touch nor address the roots of radicalism appropriately. Sebagai entitas yang terbengkalai, harus didekati dengan baik melalui cara-cara yang lunak atau cara-cara yang halus. Karena cara keras tidak akan dapat mengatasi radikalisasi yang tepat. The indirect and soft approach initiated by CIS from country mainstream pesantren to moderate Islam or wasatiyah. Pendekatan tidak langsung atau pendekatan lunak atau pendekatan yang baik diprakarsai oleh CIS from, yaitu pusat studi dari Universitas Kalijaga tadi, dapat mengatasi atau mengarus utamakan kembali pesantren menjadi Islam moderat atau Islam wasatiyah. Keyword CIS from pesantren, religious violent extremism, soft approach, and moderation. Kata kunci CIS from pesantren, kekerasan agama, ekstremisme, pendekatan lembut, dan juga moderasi. Introduction. Although violent religious extremism in Indonesia seems to be decreasing in terms of scale, it is indeed increasing in terms of scope. As widely known, violent religious extremism in the country is rooted in the ideology of Darul Islam or DI, which later on become more international and radical under the name Jamaah Islamiyah (GI). AGC Report 2002. Due to various national and international factors, currently this clandestine organization has split into many factions or splinters such as Majelis Mujahidin Indonesia (MMI), Jamaah Ansarut Tauhid (JAT), Jamaah Ansarut Syariah (JAS), Jamaah Ansarut Daulah (JAD), and many other small circles. Jones 2011 IPAC Report 2019. In the last two decades, either GI or some of its splinters were involved in various devastating actions in Indonesia, as well as in several other neighboring countries. Reportedly, the authorities also initiated many splinter groups which support ISIS or ISIS or Islamic State in the eastern part of Indonesia. IPAC short briefing 2020. These groups share many things in common, especially an ultra-conservative worldview. Even though violent extremism has decreased significantly since 2012, extremism and radical religious worldviews remain scattered in many instances including school, BBIM 2017, 2018, and pesantren with our traditional boarding school, Hidayatullah 2013. Artinya, introduction, pendahuluan. About violent religious extremism in Indonesia seems to be decreasing in terms of scale. It is increasing in terms of scope. Meskipun ekstremisme agama yang disertai kekerasan di Indonesia tampaknya menurun dalam hal skala, namun sebenarnya telah meningkat dalam hal cangkupan. As widely known, violent religious extremism in the country is rooted in ideology of Darul Islam or DI. Seperti diketahui secara luas, kekerasan agama, ekstremisme agama yang disertai dengan kekerasan berakar pada ideologi Darul Islam atau kita kenal sebagai DI, which later on became more international and radical under the name Jannah Islamiyah (JI). IGC Report 2002, yang kemudian menjadi lebih internasional dan radikal dengan nama Jamaah Islamiyah atau JI. Berdasarkan laporan ICG pada tahun 2002. Due to various national and international factor, karena berbagai faktor nasional dan internasional, currently this clandestine organization has split into many factions or splinter cells of Majelis Mujahidin Indonesia. Saat ini, organisasi clandestine telah terpecah menjadi banyak faksi atau sempalan seperti Majelis Mujahidin Indonesia (MMI), Jamaah Ansarut Tauhid (JAT), Jamaah Ansarut Tauhid (JAT), Jamaah Ansarut Syariah (JAS), Jamaah Ansarut Daulah (JAD), dan many other small circles, dan banyak lingkaran kecil lainnya. In the last 2 decades, either JI or Jamaah Islamiyah or some of its splinters were involved in various devastating actions in Indonesia, as well as in several other neighboring countries. Reportedly, the authorities also identified many splinter groups which support ISIS or ISIS or Islamic States in the eastern part of Indonesia. A page of short referring 2020. This group share many things in common, especially an ultra-conservative worldview. Even though violent extremism has decreased significantly since 2012, extremism and radical religious worldview remain scattered in many entities including school, BBMI 2017-2019, and pesantren which are traditional boarding school. The last 2 decades, selama 2 dekade, either GI or some of its splinters were involved in various devastating actions in Indonesia. Jamaah Islamiyah atau JI atau beberapa pecahan lainnya terlibat dalam berbagai aksi yang menghancurkan Indonesia, as well as in several other neighboring countries, serta di beberapa negara lainnya. Reportedly, kabarnya, the authorities also invited many splinter groups which support ISIS Islamic State in the eastern part of Indonesia. Pihak berwenang juga mengidentifikasi banyak kelompok sempalan yang mendukung ISIS atau negara Islam di wilayah Indonesia Timur. This group share many things in common, especially an ultra-conservative worldview. Kelompok-kelompok ini memiliki banyak kesamaan, terutama pandangan dunia yang sangat konservatif. Even though violent extremism has decreased significantly since 2012. Meskipun ekstremisme kekerasan telah menurun secara signifikan sejak tahun 2012. Extremism and radical religious worldview remain scattered in many entities including schools. Ekstremisme dan pandangan dunia keagamaan yang radikal masih banyak entitas termasuk sekolah and pesantren which are traditional boarding school, dan juga pesantren yang merupakan sekolah berasrama tradisional. By default, in fact, a pesantren is a neutral educational entity. Indonesian history prove that they have had a very significant role in educating both religious and scholar students. Consistent with the paths of re-Islamization and the rebirth of Indonesian Muslim, pesantrens are booming as an alternative institution for moral educational. However, certain pesantrens are indicated as having a connection with various cases of violent extremism in the country. Some pesantrens, famously known as the Nguruki Network, are among the most vulnerable institutions to use as a means of spreading a conservative and radical worldview. IGC Report 2002. Some acts of violent extremism in Indonesia, such as the threat on Second Bali bombing, 2002 and 2005, invalid pesantren, graduate and the conservative religious and radical worldview of the Nguruki pesantren has widely spread in some region of Surakarta and Yogyakarta. Artinya, by default in fact a pesantren is a neutral educational entity. Padahal pesantren pada dasarnya adalah pendidikan yang netral. Indonesian history prove that they have had a very significant role in education both religious and scholar students. Sejarah Indonesia membuktikan bahwa pesantren memiliki peran yang sangat signifikan dalam mendidik siswanya secara religius dan juga sekuler. Consistent with the path of re-Islamization and the rebirth of Indonesian Muslim, pesantren are booming as an alternative institution for moral education. Sejarah dengan laju re-Islamisasi dan kelahiran kembali Muslim Indonesia, pesantren telah berkembang pesat sebagai lembaga alternatif untuk pendidikan moral. However, certain pesantrens are indicated as having a connection with various cases of violent extremism in the country. Akan tetapi, beberapa pesantren terindikasi memiliki hubungan dengan berbagai kasus ekstremisme kekerasan di negeri ini. Some pesantrens, famously known as the Nguruki Network, beberapa pesantren dikenal sebagai jaringan Nguruki, are among the most vulnerable institutions to use as a means of spreading a conservative and radical worldview, termasuk lembaga paling rentan digunakan sebagai sarana penyebaran pandangan dunia yang konservatif dan radikal, berdasarkan laporan IGC pada tahun 2002. Some acts of violent extremism in Indonesia, beberapa tindakan ekstremisme di Indonesia, such as the first and second Bali bombing 2002 and 2005, seperti pengeboman Bali, 2 kali pengeboman Bali, yang pertama terjadi pada tahun 2002 dan yang kedua terjadi pada tahun 2005, involved pesantren, melibatkan pesantren. Involved pesantren graduates and the conservative religious and radical worldview of the Nguruki pesantrens has greatly found in the some religions of Surakarta and Yogyakarta. Tindakan tersebut melibatkan lulusan pesantren dan pandangan hidup keagamaan yang konservatif dan radikal. Pesantren Nguruki telah menyebar luas di beberapa wilayah yang ada di Surakarta dan Yogyakarta. Moderation as an approach to prevent or countering violent extremism. Many cases of violent extremism in Indonesia have caused the government, policymaker, and civil society organization to be actively ignited in countering its dangerous threat. The more people are exposed to the threat, the more different kinds of approach and treatment shall be developed. In general, there are two types. There are two types of approach toward violent extremism, specifically hard and soft measures. While hard measures are mostly employed by the state apparatus as a quick response to violent action, soft measures are used mostly by civil social organizations as preventive action geared toward the most vulnerable groups in society. Artinya pada paragraf pertama ini adalah isi dari jurnal ini adalah moderasi sebagai pendekatan pencegahan atau penanggulangan ekstremisme kekerasan. Many cases of violent extremism in Indonesia have caused the government, policymaker, and civil society organization. Banyaknya kasus kekerasan ekstremisme di Indonesia telah menyebabkan pemerintah, pembuat kebijakan, dan organisasi masyarakat sipil to be actively ignited in countering its dangerous threat, turut terlibat aktif dalam melawan ancaman yang berbahaya. The more people are exposed to the threat, the more different kinds of approach and treatment shall be developed. Semakin banyak orang yang terpapar ancaman tersebut, semakin banyak pula jenis pendekatan dan penanggulangan yang harus dikembangkan. In general, secara umum, are two types, ada dua jenis approach toward violent extremism, ada dua jenis pendekatan terhadap kekerasan ekstremisme, specifically hard and soft measure, khususnya tindakan keras dan juga tindakan lunak. When hard measures are mostly employed by the state apparatus as a quick response to violent action, sementara tindakan keras sebagian besar digunakan oleh aparatur negara sebagai respon cepat terhadap tindakan kekerasan. Soft measures are used mostly by civil social organizations as preventive action geared toward the most vulnerable groups in society. Adapun tindakan lunak sebagian besar digunakan oleh organisasi masyarakat sipil sebagai tindakan pencegahan yang ditunjukkan kepada kelompok masyarakat yang paling rentan. Selanjutnya, lanjut di paragraf kedua. In Indonesia, the common trend for violent ideology and action is radicalism, and the program and action employed to tackle radicalism, terrorism, and RVE are described as deradicalization. In academic discourse, many terms are used for deradicalization, such as disenchantment, reintegration, rehabilitation, re-education, desentence, deprogramming, de-civilization, and debasing, including that the term and concept are complete. Coher 2017, page 2. Along with the rejection of some Muslim communities toward the use of the term radicalism and deradicalization, Many civil social organizations nowadays tend to employ preventing or countering violent extremism (V or CVE). Such an alternative can be employed by the government and civil social organization as this entail their different approach, primary, secondary, and tertiary. Sumter 2017, page 113. Arti dari paragraf kedua ini adalah di Indonesia, the common term of violent ideology and action, radikalisme. Istilah untuk ideologi dan tindakan kekerasan adalah radikalisme. And the program and action employed to tackle radicalism, terrorism, and RVE are described as deradicalization. Dan program serta tindakan yang digunakan untuk mengatasi radikalisme, terorisme, dan RVE adalah digambarkan sebagai istilah deradikalisasi. In academic discourse, dalam wacana akademis, many terms are used for deradikalisasi. Banyak istilah yang digunakan untuk deradikalisasi, such of disengagement, reintegration, rehabilitation, re-education, desintens, deprogramming, defilisation, and devising. Seperti pelepasan diri, reintegrasi, rehabilitasi, pendidikan ulang, penghentian, deprogramming, disabilisasi, dan devising, yang menunjukkan that the terms and concept are complete, bahwa istilah dan konsep tersebut sangatlah rumit. Kohler 2017, page 2, dalam Kohler pada tahun 2017 halaman 2. Along with the rejection of some Muslim communities, seiring dengan penolakan beberapa komunitas Muslim toward the use of the radicalism, terhadap penggunaan istilah radikalisme, and deradikalisasi, terhadap penggunaan istilah radikalisme dan deradikalisasi, many civil social organizations nowadays tend to employ preventing or countering violent extremism. Banyak dari lembaga sosial kemasyarakatan yang saat ini cenderung menggunakan pencegahan atau penanggulangan kekerasan ekstrim. Such an alternative term can be employed by the government and civil social organization as this entail the different approach, primary, secondary, and tertiary. Istilah alternatif tersebut dapat digunakan oleh pemerintah dan juga lembaga sosial kemasyarakatan, karena hal ini memerlukan 3 pendekatan yang berbeda, yaitu pendekatan primer, sekunder, dan juga pendekatan tersier. Sumter 2017, page 113, dalam Sumter pada tahun 2017 halaman 113. Conclusion. In general, radical groups tend to be exclusive. They hold their understanding as the truth and regret other, opposing their opinion as the enemy of the truth. These attitudes sisting in binary opposition and consider socialness between their point of view with what of another's something normal, not even excluding when the confirmation goes beyond the discourse level, but into open conflict. Such a conflict will be considered jihad nahi mungkar or fighting bad and evil. From this reason, radical groups often take violent ways in their research for a social solution. Selanjutnya adalah bagian terakhir, conclusion atau kesimpulan. Arti dari paragraf pertama ini adalah in general, secara umum, radical group tend to be exclusive, kelompok radikal cenderung bersifat eksklusif. They hold their understanding as the truth and reject other, opposing their opinion as the enemy of the truth. Mereka memegang teguh pemahamannya sebagai kebenaran dan pihak lainnya dianggap sebagai musuhnya, serta menantang pendapat sebagai musuh dari kebenaran. This attitude, sikap ini, sitting in binary opposition and consider scoliosis and consider correlation between their point of view with that of another something normal. Sikap ini memandang segala sesuatu dalam oposisi, biner, dan menganggap benturan antara sudut pandang mereka dengan sudut pandang orang lain sebagai sesuatu yang wajar. Not between, including when the confrontation goes beyond the discourse level, but into open conflict. Tidak terkecuali ketika konfrontasi tersebut melampaui tatanan wacana, melainkan menjadi konflik yang terbuka. Such a conflict will be considered jihad nahi mungkar or fighting bad and evil. Konflik semacam ini diangkat sebagai jihad nahi mungkar atau memerangi kejahatan dan keburukan. For this reason, radical groups often take violent ways in their search for a social solution. Karena alasan ini, kelompok radikal seringkali menempuh cara-cara kekerasan dalam mencari solusi sosial. Selanjutnya dalam paragraf kesimpulan yang kedua. The evaluation of the moderation programs implemented by CIS from show that the approach has succeeded in changing both the mindset and the practice of the key actor in pesantren and conservative Muslim groups. The approach are incredibly able to shift their orientation from radical to more modern tendencies. Arti dari paragraf kedua ini adalah the evaluation of the moderation program employed by CIS from. Evaluasi terhadap program moderasi yang dilaksanakan oleh CIS from atau lembaga penelitian dari UIN Sunan Kalijaga tadi shows that the approach has success, menunjukkan bahwa pendekatan tersebut telah berhasil in changing both the mindset and the practice of key actor in pesantren and conservative Muslim group, telah berhasil mengubah pola pikir dan praktik para aktor kunci di pesantren dan juga kelompok Muslim konservatif. The approach are readily able to shift their orientation from radical to more moderate tendencies. Pendekatan tersebut secara tidak langsung mampu menggeser orientasi mereka dari kecenderungan berpikiran radikal menuju pemikiran yang lebih moderat atau Islam wasatiyah. That's all can say. I'm sorry if don't have more. Wallahul muwaffiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.